So we had our discussions on the greatness of Vidya. Now in the next couple of verses, so Bhartrhari speaks of certain qualities by possessing which people contribute to the sustenance of world. Tell that Dakshinyam Svajane. So this is not quite clear. So that kind of distinction, I don't know whether it is there completely. So see, there are different versions of Niti Shatakam itself. First of all, so the verses will be sort of jumbled in different texts. So it looks like, so the first 10 are definitely Murkha Paddhati. So the next 10, so they are, first is anyway Mangala Shloka, so that is left out. So after that around 10 verses we had, so on Murkha. So then the problem with the Murkhas, so that was the first 10. Then the next 10 more or less, so all of the verses spoke about the greatness of Vidya. Now as I see this 22nd and the 23rd, so they essentially speak of some noble people. So how they sustain the world. So the virtues possessed by them which sort of sustain the world. And what does one gain by associating oneself with them? So we will see these two verses now. Dakshinyam Svajane, Daya Parijane, Shathyam Sada Durjane, Priti Sadhujane, Nayo Nrupajane, Vidvajjane Shparjavam, Shauryam Shatrujane, Kshama Gurujane, Nari Jane Drishtata, Ye Chaivam Purushah Kala Sukushalaha, Vam Purushah Kala Teshveva Lokasthitihi, Lokasthitihi Teshveva. So Teshveva means it is only dependent on them. What is dependent on them? Lokasthitihi. So sustenance of the loka. Lokasya sthitihi. Functioning sustenance. So on whom is it dependent? Ye chaivam purushah kalasu kushalaha. Those people who are adept in the things which I have listed now. So the world is sustained by those people. So this is what he says in the fourth line. Ye chaivam purushah kalasu kushalaha teshveva lokasthitihi. So what are the qualities that he lists? See, Dakshinyam Svajane. Svajana refers to the one who is in your domain. So Sva means related. Related can be either student, teacher, so boss, yajamana and so on. There are various kinds of relations. Generally it means a certain blood relation, Svajanam, or he can even be a sort of friend, so whatever it is. So a sort of thick relation whenever you have with someone, it is called Svajana. Okay. Normally people do not treat servants as Svajana. So I mean, so either this family or it can be the one who is associated in the institution, so your colleague, etc. They is Svajana. What he says is Dakshinyam Svajane. So this is a virtue. This virtue of Dakshinyam has to be exhibited with reference to Svajana, extended definitely. Amiability. Dakshinyam is amiability. So suppose he makes a certain request. So you try to see to it that as much as possible you sort of fulfill that. Okay. So this is what is referred to as Dakshinyam. Dakshinyam Svajane. Daya parijane. Parijane daya. So normally, parijana is servant. Servant means dependent in general. So servant is anyway sort of dependent. So his livelihood is dependent on what you give him. And parijana refers to those who serve you. On them you should have compassion. Daya parijane. So if they sort of commit a mistake, you may be having the power to immediately dismiss him off. So this some people do. So you may be having a certain command over him so that you can yell at him. So this is also possible. But you should try to avoid that. Show some compassion so that he can be corrected without hurting him too much. That is what he means by saying Daya parijane. Then Shathyam sada durj. In fact, there is a beautiful verse in Ramayana which she says, Karyam karuna maryena nakaschin naparadhyati. See, servant may commit some mistake, and Sita says, see, Karyam karuna maryena nakaschit naparadhyati. Na aparadhyati iti nakaschit. In this world, there is no one who will not commit a mistake. So, what should an Arya do? Karyam karuna maryena. See, one has to show compassion. Karyam karuna maryena nakaschinna paradhyati. Then only the world can sustain. So these are all great virtues. Daya parijane, Shathyam sada durjane. There is a nyaya, Shathe Shathyam samacharet. See, Shatha is sort of craftiness. So you try to sort of trick the other person. So Durjana, so if he is there, so to him you always show craftiness. So that is the way to sort of punish him. So treat him.
Lack of straightforward,
Shathyam, yeah. See, because that fellow is himself trying to play trick upon you, and therefore you also be more smarter, and then
so that. Smart that's. Shathyam is straight arjavati idu
Shatha, Shathasya bhava, something like that. Okay. So crafty, so it need not necessarily be
tactful.
So you have to show some tactics in handling them. See, mayacharaha maya pratyupeyaha. You understand? That is what he is trying to say. Shathyam sada durjane. So the durjana is basically someone, he has something in his mind, he will say something to you and he will do something else. So you have to be careful, make a judgment and then try to, so that is what he means by Shathyam sada durjane, Priti sadhujane. So this is something which is very important. Sadhujane, so if they are noble people, so to them you have to develop a certain affection. So only by developing a certain affection to them, you will be able to associate yourself with them. See, once you sort of associate with them, so you will gain a lot of things. So in fact, that is what is described in the next verse. See, that is why always see satsangatve nisangatvam nisangatve nirmohatvam. That satsanga is what is being referred to as sadhujane. See, Priti sadhujane, nayo nripajane. Nripajane, so this is something which is very important. So, see, king is basically a sort of ruler, so who has to take care of so many things. So there are various departments, and he has to necessarily trust people, assign various tasks to those people. So if this fellow who has been assigned this task by the king, so he is not a trustworthy person, he is not sincere, then there will be a serious problem. Therefore he says, so it will actually put the entire kingdom down. So that is why he is saying nayo nripajane. Nripajane nayaha. There should be sincerity. Nayana sincerity. If being truthful, sincere. Okay, so that is what is called nayaha. Nayo nripajane, Vidvajjaneshvarjavam. So if this fellow is not sincere, so he is assigned some task. So go and look at that, get the feedback. He doesn't do, he just says something. Then the whole thing will collapse. So that is what is called Naya. Okay. So Nayo Nripajani. Vidvajjaneshvarjavam. Arjavam is uprightness. Okay. So straightforwardness, uprightness. So Vidvajjaneshu. So when you deal with scholars, so Arjavam should be there. So you should not sort of pretend as if you know. Vidvajjane Arjavam. See, they can actually judge you. So you may say that I know this, I know that, then you will be caught. So if you are having Arjava, so then they will easily pardon you and there will be no uneasiness in dealing with them. Vidvajjaneshvarjavam. Nyayate chet nyayate iti vaktavayam. Na nyayate chet na nyayate iti vaktavayam. So that is what he is saying. Vidvajjaneshvarjavam. Shauryam shatrujane. Shatrujane shauryam. Shatru is someone who is trying to attack you. So when someone tries to attack you, it can be attacking, can be from any front. So it need not necessarily refer to some physical attack. So Shauryam Shatrujani. Shauryam means you should have that valor and courage to face them. See, once you lose this, then there is no way that you will be able to win the battle. So therefore he says Shauryam Shatrujani. Kshama Gurujane. Kshama Gurujane, so has to be properly understood. See? So Kshama is also forgiveness. See, forgiveness. Forgiveness is Kshama. Understand? Now, this forgiveness, why does he say that it has to be exhibited towards Gurujana? Gurujana refers to elderly people here. Understand? It can be teacher, it can be elderly people. Kshama Gurujane. So, particularly, I think what he means here is the elderly people in family. You understand? See, different people have different ways of looking at things. So when you live in a sort of family, one should be able to adjust with the other person. So they may be repeatedly saying something. You understand? As the age grows, the anxiety of the person also grows. So this you might have noticed. So they will become more and more anxious. So they will keep on asking the same thing. Have you done this? Have you done this? Have you done this? So then you should try to see to it that you don't lose your patience. Okay. So the Kshama here in the sense of forbearance. So forgiveness. So forgiveness and forbearance, they are two slightly different things. So but what he is trying to say here is, so this forbearance should be there. Kshama Gurujane. Nari Jane Dhurtata. Drishtata, Dhurtata, there are two pathas. Drishtata is fine. Nari Jane Drishtata. Drishtata means you have to be sort of impudent. Understand? So impudent, stubborn, firm. So Nari Jane Drishtata. They may have this is Chapalya, various natures will be there. So therefore he says Nari Jane. So you don't have to yield to all that. You understand? So there may be various desires which may be sort of cropping up. So you should not necessarily, you have to be bold, impudent. So there are two different senses in which it is used. Okay. So being a sort of quite careful. Okay. So that is also. So Nari Jane Drishtata Ye Chaivam Purusha Kala Sukushalaha Teshveva Lokasthitihi Ye Chaivam Purushaha Kalas. In fact, see, this Dakshinyam is something which you will find in the Shakuntala verse also. See, so he see certain things are repeated. You can see. So you can see the sort of parallel when Kanva sends Shakuntala. Okay. So he gives a very important message to her. This message is so important that towards the end of the verse, so Kanva says, what is that? Yantevam grihinipadam yuvatayaha vamaha kulasya adhayaha. Vamaha striyaha viparitaha. Grihinipadam yanti. So only those people who possess these qualities, they are worthy of being described as grihinis. Okay? So household women. Vamaha means tad viparitaha. Kulasya adhayaha. Adhayaha is source of agony. Understand? Vyadhihi is physical problem. Adhihi is mental problem. Understand? So Vamaha etad viparitaha maya ye vishayaha uktaha tadanurithya ye nacharanti te kulasya adhayo bhavanti. See, they cannot just ignore, they cannot accept. So that is the problem. So he is a very beautiful message. So almost you can see somewhat parallel. See, here he is saying that it is only these people who will be able to sustain. So there he is putting the other way around. So if you do not possess, then you will become a burden for the family. See, Sushrushasva Gurun. See, that's where he starts. Gurun means elderly people. Sushrushasva. Shrotamichhasva ityartha. Shrotamichhasva ityukto taihi educhyate tat paripalayitum tava ichha bhuyat. See, so may you listen to what they say and act. See, Sushrushasva Gurun Kuru Priyasakhi Vrittim Sapatni Jane. Sapatni Jane Priyasakhi Vrittim Kuru. So because he is actually going to a king, so he may have other people in the harem. Okay, so the other wives, okay, so maybe there. Kuru Priyasakhi Vrittim. So with them, so have friendliness. Bhartur viprakrita piroshanataya masma pratipangamaha. See, even if for some reason or no reason, so he becomes angry, you don't retaliate. Understand? Viprakritapi roshanataya means, so you should not immediately lose your temper and then start yelling back. Roshanataya masma. Rosham. So he cannot bear that word, so immediately he will start, okay, so shouting back. Roshanataya masma pratipangamaha. Then he says, Bhuyishtham bhava dakshina parijane. Understand? So parijane dakshina bhava. Dakshina bhava ityukto dakshinyam pradarshaya. Bhuyishtham bhava dakshina parijane. Particularly on the dependents, Bhuyishtham in abundant measure. Okay. Bhuyishtham bhava dakshina parijane. Bhagye shvanutsekini. Utsekaha means jumping up and down. So this fellow, okay, shooting. So becoming high. See, pulling that out. You understand? Jumping out, pulling out. So bhagyeshu anutsekini. May you not jump like a bubble. Okay. The moment you become prosperous, bhagyeshu, when prosperity comes to you, okay, when prosperity is flowing into you, into your family, so there may be a certain tendency to turn, okay, arrogant because of that. See, so may you not become. So it is a very important message. The first message is, may you develop a certain tendency to listen to the elderly people. So that is what he is saying, Kshama Gurujane. So even if they sort of repeatedly say, you may have to keep patience. So Shushrooshasva Gurun Kuru Priyasakhi Vrittim Sapatni Jane. Many a times the problem arises because this person thinks that the other person thought so. You understand? So that is why the problem arises. So the other person might not have thought so at all. So that is why he is saying, may you develop a certain friendly attitude towards other people. See, that is again very important when you go to a new environment. So if you keep on suspecting the other fellow, when will this problem be over? It will only aggravate. See, then Bhartru viprakritapi roshanataya masma pratipanga. May you exercise a certain control over your anger. See, then भूयिष्ठं भव दक्षिणा परिजने भाग्ये श्नुत्सेकिनी यान्त्येवं गृहिणीपदं युवतयः वामाः कुलस्य आधयः. So he puts it differently. It is only these people who sustain. So there are a few more qualities which have been listed here. So he listed a few qualities. Okay, read this now. दाक्षिण्यं स्वजने दया परिजने शाठ्यं सदा दुर्जने प्रीतिः साधुजने नयो नृपजने विद्वज्जनेष्वार्जवम् शत्रुजने क्षमा गुरुजने कान्तिजने दुष्ट. Kantājane is one patha, Narijane is another patha. See, basically it is like this. See, suppose if you recall the story of Ramayana. So the Shurpanakha comes, so and then bothers Rama. See? So Rama says, no, this is not acceptable. So again he goes to Lakshmana and then bothers. See?
Rama did that.
So I am saying. So bothers. So she is not able to put a certain restraint on her ichha. So there you have to be very careful. That's what he is saying. Be careful. Nari jane dhishtata ye chaivam purusha kala sukushalaha yeshveva lokasthirihi. Jadyam dhiyo. This is actually Shardula Vikridita Vrutta. See, the previous verse. Jadyam dhiyo harati sinchati vachi satyam. Jadyam dhiyo harati sinchati vachi satyam. Manonnatim dishati papamapa karoti.
Manonnatim dishati papamapa karoti.
Chetah prasadayati dikshutanoti kirtim.
Chetah prasadayati dikshutanoti kirtim.
Satsangatih kathaya kinna karoti pumsam.
Satsangatih kathaya kinna karoti pumsam.
Satsangatihi pumsam kimna karoti iti kathaya. What is it that is not gained by associating yourself with the good people? Which means everything is gained. That is why Shankara declared, see, Sangas Satsu Vidhiyatam. See, in Upadesha Panchakam, he says. So in Bhajagovindam, he says, Satsangatve Nisangatvam, Nisangatve Nirmohatvam, Nirmohatve Nischaritatvam, Nischaritatve Jivan Muktihi. So here, the first thing that he says is Nirmohatvam. So all that is nicely stated here. He has listed 6 things, starting with Jadyam Dhiyo Harati. Dhihi means Buddhi, intellect. Dhiyaha Jadyam Harati. Jadyam is Jadasya Bhavaha Jadyam. So the inertness, okay, so which this Buddhi has. So it is not able to grasp things. So by their association, so you will slowly get rid of that. So all kinds of blocks which are there, so will be slowly eradicated by them. The mere association has the power to do that. So because the thinking will be set right. So sattva guna will increase. So sattvam sukhe sanjayati. So this is one thing. See, sattvat sanjayate jnanam. So this is what this is. Therefore he is saying jadyam dhiyo harati. Then sinchati vachi satyam. So you understand the greatness of truth and you will never ever start lying or hiding things. See, sinchati vachi satyam. Vachi satyam sinchati. Sinchati is a metaphorical usage. It will sort of pour into your mouth. Sinchati vachi satyam.
Making wet.
Making wet. Correct. Sinchati. Manonatim dishati. So these are all sort of byproducts. See, so these two are the most important things. See, once the jadyam is gone, so you will become an intelligent person. So you will gain things. So and the knowledge will bring you fame, etc. So that is what he is saying. Manonatim dishati. See, manasya unnatihi means the status which you enjoy in the society will be elevated up. Understand? So manasya unnatihi. So that it fetches. Manonatim dishati. Dishatina gives, fetches. Papam apakaroti. It snatches away one thing. What does it snatch away? So it snatches away all the bad deeds that you may be associating yourself with. See, so bad deeds actually lead to papa. So he says, so by bringing in these virtues in you, so it will snatch away the bad deeds. So this is all sort of byproduct. Papam apakaroti. More importantly, see, chetah prasadayati dikshu tanoti kirtim. See, chetah prasadaha is the most difficult thing. Normally what happens is, you will be able to see, if you sort of carefully look into the association which the people have and their behavior. So those who are sort of associated with bad people, so they may be excited in certain moments, but in other moments they will be despondent people. So unless they have a certain association with their own company of fools or bad fellows, so they will never be happy. So which may not happen many of the time, and therefore they will give themselves to sort of drinking various kinds of habits. So this is a serious problem. On the other hand, so this kind of bad habits which people try to develop and engage themselves is a result of not being happy with themselves. So the tranquility of the mind is not obtained by them unless some intoxicating agents get into. See, so on the other hand, so when you associate yourself with the noble people, see, satsanga, so then you will develop a certain tranquility in your own mind, and this actually gives you the peace. Okay, so chetaha prasadayati means tranquilizes the mind. See, so this is the most difficult thing. Chetah prasadayati. Tranquilizes. Prasadaha. Prasad pleases, tranquilizes. Chetah prasadayati. Dikshutanoti kirtim. See, by virtue of developing these virtues, so it will carry on the fame in all directions. Dikshu. Dikshu tanoti kirtim. Satsangati kathaya. Dikshu. Dikshu na paradik. Paradik halit. In all directions. Vistarayati. See, Dikshu tanoti kirtim. Satsangatihi kathaya kin nakaroti pumsam. See, so a person may be lacking in his knowledge, so that is taken care. So a certain desire to become a vidwan is something which will be there, so that is taken care. See, desire to be calm in one's own mind, so that is also taken care. And a desire to be a good person, so the durvasanas should be eradicated. So once you eradicate durvasanas, so then, so that is also taken care. So therefore the poet says, what is it that is not gained by satsanga? Jadyam dhiyo harati sinchati vachi satyam manonatim dishati papam apakaroti chetah prasadayati dikshu tanoti kirtim satsangatih kathaya kinna karoti pumsam. See, in one stroke you get many things. So whenever there is a sort of description of this nature, so then the alankara is called samuchaya alankara. Samuchitya prapti. Together you get various things. So this is a samuchaya alankara. In fact, the meter employed is also a very beautiful meter. It is called Vasanta Tilaka. Ta Vasanta Tilaka Tabhaja Jagaugaha. Or Om Sarve Vasukhinas Santu Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om